Watch this touching story of a poor pregnant mama dog being rescued from the streets by a kind-hearted stranger. Without hesitation, she decided to adopt the mama dog, providing her with food, comfort, and a safe place to give birth. The caring stranger treated her like family, making sure she was well taken care of during her pregnancy. A few days later, the mama dog gave birth to 9 healthy, adorable puppies. It's amazing to see how love and care turned this dog's life around. Just look at how cute those little pups are. For more wholesome content like this, don't forget to comment, subscribe, and follow for more.